Ron, welcome to Tommy Conversations.
Thanks for having me here.
I can't wait to talk about the construction industry because I see a very vast difference between here in Australia and where you're from, Germany.
Yes.
Let's begin with introduction. I know that you were passionate about being hands-on, but you initially chose mechanical engineering.
Yeah.
You did that briefly before switching to Master of Carpentry. What was that like for you?
I guess I didn't know exactly what I was going to do with my life, career-wise. And at that time of graduation from school, it seemed to be a good idea to study mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineers were high in regard and badly needed. And since I didn't know what to do, I just enlisted on this kind of study. And after about a year, or after half a year, it didn't really resonate with me, and I thought I want to do something more hands-on, and didn't aspire to become just an average engineer, but thought of might be better to rather pursue a career in which I'm good at, and something I really like doing, and doing something with my hands or with timber always resonated with me, so I chose to become a carpenter. And this was also good advice from my mom, who raised me by putting an emphasis on or pursue things you like doing. And as long as you enjoy your job and are good at it, everything else in life will unfold in your favor. It's just a byproduct of what you like doing in life. So I haven't regretted it ever since. And
That's a good start. A lot of people hate their first job or their first thing that they pursue, but you happen to choose something that you were passionate about, and got to thank your mum for that, encouragement to pursue what you love.
Yeah.
Now, how long does it take to be fully trained in Master of Carpentry?
The apprenticeship takes about 3 years. I did finish it after 2.5 years because of exceptional results at school and grades, and since I had it a little bit easier because I went to school for longer and got the higher education entrance certification, a lot of things were easy, to put it like that, like mathematics, because I was already having mathematics and physics at university for a while, etc. And this is why I was able to graduate sooner. And once I finished my apprenticeship, I pretty much immediately continued my education on the master school to become an actual master of my trade. Because once you are a certified carpenter in Germany, you can study this trade in depth to become a master of your trade. Mm-hmm. And that's what I wanted to pursue. And in addition to that, I got some kind of scholarship to get a Master of Roof Tiling and Waterproofing degree in addition to that. Mm-hmm. So now I'm proud to have two Master Craftsmanship degrees, and it's good.
It must be great to tap into these two fields, like the roofing and also the carpentry side of things. Now, I remember you showing me CAD, some of the drawings and things that you do, and which we will add for the audience to see, because I think it'll highlight what work in your area is like, when you have to use computers, tools to aid and build.
Yeah.
So let's talk about prefabrication, which is something that you specialize in.
It's simply a way of leveraging current technologies which are available to humanity, so to speak. And Germany is a very innovative country, and invented the first CNC machine for the timber industry. And actually, before I was born, 1984, was invented by a mechanical engineer to facilitate quick prefabrication and manufacturing processes. And ever since, it always became more and more plausible to remain within cost-effective methods to achieve desired outcomes in terms of, okay, we want to build a house. The most cost-effective method is leveraging technology. Each year, ever since something gets invented, it's being utilized to everyone's full potential and gets innovated over and over again, and then other byproducts of certain innovations unfold as well. And nowadays you have a highly skilled workforce tailored to leverage and utilize all kinds of machines and software to gain most benefits. And prefabrication is a tool to establish certainty well in advance in terms of, okay, this is how much material we need, this is how much it's going to cost, this is how long it's going to take, the manufacturing process. You also establish certainty with regards to weather conditions, because you pre-build everything in a controlled environment, in a factory. And what is imperative, though, is you follow strict procedures. The more efficient a certain assembly line or production or manufacturing process is, the more prone it is to faults if you deviate from the process. And with a lot of repetition and recurring designs and details, you can leverage a lot of benefits out of prefabrication. And you create an industry which is tailored towards this most cost-effective approach. And in the end, designs and architects made designs which are most consistent with cost-effectiveness, and basically engineered homes in Germany to be very prefabrication friendly and facilitate cost-effectiveness, performance on many fields. And this way you are also able to provide certainty for the end customer. If it's being prefabricated and does have certain aspects of a commodity, like something that is being produced on an assembly line, there's no uncertainty about the process, the costs, the time, the labor, the material demand, anything. So you know well in advance, okay, this is how long it takes and this is how much it is. And Germany has established an industry where there are no unknowns about certain timelines. You can make timelines 2 years in advance.